narinig ko yun.
Huh?
Ano pa? Hindi, last week. Is it last week? Nag-ask. Ano pala? 6:15. Oh no, hindi pala. 6:15 ako nakarating dito. Sobrang aga ng taxi. Yung pinabook ko na 6:15, 6:07, nandoon na sa bahay. Kape tayo. Kaya dito na ako nagkape. Wala na kasing ibang available na taxi. Kaysa mag-bus ako. Mas maaga ako gigising. Nandito na naman yung aking tatlo. I just followed you. You go that way. I followed you.
You go the wrong way.
Yeah, wrong way. Wrong way around. Wrong way around.
Should I sit down like I sit or sit down in the middle? Because am I or too flat?
No, it's not. It's fine.
I'll go first.
Alina first. Alina first.
I'll go first.
Ay, nako. It's okay, do here na lang, Daddy. It's too busy there.
What did you have for lunch?
Chicken. Sweet and sour chicken.
Did you have that top?
Oh, dear. It was okay this morning. It was okay this morning. It's painting in your face.
You look.
Okay, I'm gonna do your face. I'm gonna fix your hair.
And my neck too.
I'm gonna clean your face. How you say when you call taxi?
Mama.
Alisa,
Mama.
how you say when you call taxi?
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama. 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 Can I go to the paint mask shop on summer? On the.
Where is that? Where is that, Lina?
Lisa said she wants to go to that place where you make math, and I said,
Does it do?
can't go there because it's in Italy, not in this country.
Oh, that one. Maybe one day we're gonna go there.
Right, you did it. Well done. That's it.
Did you still got your black there? The paint? Do you wash it? Wash it off. Nag-painting kasi. Sige na, go na. Let's go. Alis kami. Sasama kami, may... Ano si Alina? Taekwondo. Wala, kailangan pala namin ng pera. Wait lang daw. May enough ba ako ng money? Kasi yung taekwondo niya ay 5 pounds every season. Ala, season. Oh, tama. I have enough money pala. Kumulan na naman. Crazy.
Auntie was just right there. Put that back. 1, 2. Oh, can I let the mommy jump?
No, don't to. Daddy don't like that. Antay-antay na lang kami mga kachika para sa alis kami. So sleep. Hindi ako nakatulog na maayos kagabi. Sobrang na ako ng kape kahapon kasi nagkape ako dito sa bahay. Tapos yung kape sa Costa kahapon super tapang. Cappuccino. Mas pag-uwi dito sa bahay, nagkape na naman ako. So nakatatlong kape ako kahapon. So kaso nga lang matapang. Yes, let's go!
Yes, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Lisa! Don't touch that one there.
Dad because much of that phone is.
Sige na, enough na. Oy, so tired now. Very tired. Good, Alina doing very good.
Worry not to stay at home.
I have 5 minutes.
Tayiyosa. Stop it. Tayiyosa.
Oh, he's little. Mama, can you come?
Oh, Alina is tired now.
Please.
Can't move.
I'm too heavy, Lisa. Ow, my feet. Ow.
What you looking at? Huh?
Yeah. I wonder.
Stop. Lisa. Lisa.
Oy, let's see.
No.
I
I don't want to walk. No, I want. Vending machine.
Roast dinner for tonight. Ang dumi-dumi na ng oven namin. Kasi gusto niya yan na may sauce yung nanood kami ng aming vlog. Gustong-gusto nila yan na binabalikan na nila yung mga vlog namin nung doon pa kami. Si Alisa nasa ano pa lang. I think Alisa is only 1 year old or 2. Toby, no?
Yeah.
And now she's 6.
Here, Mama.
Princess. Look, Alisa say go away. Because you don't want on the vlog. Pula-pula lips ko dyan, oh.
Lipstick.
Lipstick.
Yeah, because you want to be pretty when you do your video.
Why, I look ugly?
No, you look nice. Oh, this is not this one. Here. Let me see that one. Is free? In my old school, we was running around all around the playground, all around the playground. And I was like, when I was running around, I got a stitch. I was like, that. Keep running around, not stop. I was like, I got a stitch. I was like this, running. I was like this. Look at that, looking chunk. Spicy noodles.
Spicy
Noodle. Your mom wouldn't buy them anymore.
I don't want to eat anymore. It's not good. It's not healthy. Crunchy? Their favorite octopus legs. Tawag nila dyan, oh. Sa crispy. Kaya tayo mga kachika. Wait na hindi na lang. Saan yung sausawan ko? May magpinakurat ako sausawan. Ayaw ko ng gravy. Nice, ah? Diyan pa yung pizza gawa namin last night. Ni Mr. pala.
Oh.
Oh, they took that one. Oh my God.
What are you running for?
Huh?
What are you running for?
No, I'm learning for you.
Huh? It's for you.
Pinag-ano ng mga bata, oh. Malalaman mo nito pag malapit na yung spring ka. Ayan. Narami nang tumutubong ganito. Alina is running. Hi!
Lovely flowers.
Alisa didn't see me yet.
Lisa's playing with her new friend.
Oh, she got new friends. Oh, daffodil. Nanubo na kasi marami dyan sa park. Daffodil. Daffodil. Pag malapit na ang spring, ganito na. Dami lang ito.
There's not much flowers now because we need to pick them all.
Oh, I know. I see it.
That's right.
That's a dancing lesson.
Mom, I'm going to my ballet class.
Yeah, we'll have to.
We have a
Something we should do.
I'm going to my ballet class.
yeah. You wanna go in a ballet class?
Yeah. Oh, I really want to go to ballet class.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why not? Another
Yeah, well,
I should go on
another
Friday.
day.
The house is like a challenge.
yeah. Send her text. Tell her
Georgie.
that we
Georgie.
live here.
We live in a new house.
Yeah.
We have to send her text, Joji.
Yeah.
Her father, her mom. This or that.
This.
Whoa! Just
Yeah, leave it.
Joji. Oh,
You going to gym?
Yeah.
Joji.
I need
Oh,
this.
Nina. Mom, do you like
We're out of
me,
stuff. We need stuff.
Lisa, or Nina? Which one?
Get your bag, huh?
Nina.
Lagi kasi ako may bit-bit na bag kasi naglagay ko yung sapatos.
Mama likes me.
Yeah, give it to me. Move it.
I like to. On the street. Lisa, you walk Oh my goodness, look at the dirty bum. Dirty bum bum.
Mama. Well, looking at like, what? Mama! A dog. Welcome to Bunny. Welcome to the Bunny right now.
You're the winner.
Dance lost. And I'm Belle. Good. cotton candy. Na na na.
Ah,
I can do na na na. Okay.
you think?
Yeah. I'll do na na na. Na na na. I'll do
There's more.
na na na. Pretending to do Britain's Got America's Got Talent. I'll do na na na.
Na na na. Na 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 na. Na na na. Na 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 Alina is getting so heavy.
My name is Nathan. I am 6 years old.
Ang bigat na ni Alina Puryabuyag.
This is basically
Kalahati na ng timbang ko yata.
Wait, boy, what's that mean?
Buyag. Buyag.
What's that mean?
I don't know what means in English. Wait lang, just drink water. Mag-ano ako mga kachika? Nag-idlip ako pagdating ko agad. Nag-idlip kasi hindi naman ako gutom for today. Kaya kumain naman ako sa work. Hindi ko nga naubos yung phone. Ano ko, kasi bumili ako ng ganito na pupunta ako sa Filipino shop. Ano pala, 551. So, ayan. Wala akong ano, kasi dapat holiday ako ngayon. Naka-holiday ako mga kachika, dapat kahapon pa Monday holiday ko. Kahapon hanggang, Monday kahapon hanggang, ano dapat, hanggang Sunday. So, 1 week, whole week talaga ako. Walang pasok, no? Hindi, tapon ko muna to. Kaso yun nga, nakiusap yung, kasi nga kulang-kulang pa kami sa, ano talaga mga kachika, ba, sa work nga, di ba? Nabanggit ko na din yun sa work na, yung isa naming kasama na doon sa Pinas, tapos yung isa, almost 2 weeks din naka-off sa work kasi nagkaroon siya ng chicken pox. Ano pa ba? Yung isa yung isa din nag-holiday yung cleaner namin. Pero nakabalik na siya kahapon Monday. So nakabalik na okay na yung tagalinis namin, okay na. So yun nga, tayo nga, kasi nga lang sa carer kasi yung isa nandoon pa sa Pinas, pero pabalik na din yun siya mga kachika. Next week pabalik na din yun siya. At saka yung isa din na may chicken pox, nakabalik na din siya noong Saturday. Kaya ayun ngayon, pinaano ako, extra ako ng ano namin ng manager. Kailan ba yun? Basta nung ano pa, hindi last week. Last week, nag-ask niya na if I can do 2 days extra. Parang overtime ba? Ganun. Kaya yun yung ginawa ko kahapon at saka today. Overtime. Kaya yung hours ko this week at saka last week, same hours 42. Kasi yung contract lang talaga dyan mga kachika ay 28 hours a week. Pero ako, for me, okay lang naman ako mag-work ako ng extra. Kaso si Mr. lang nagagalit minsan, lalo na pag sobra-sobra ba. Pero sabi ko din naman sa kanya na ngayon lang naman to babalik na din kami sa normal soon kasi nga pabalik na yung iba pa. Unti-unti nang nakabalik. So, yung isa na kasi mayroon pa kasi isa holiday din siya. Maternity naka-maternity leave. Kaya sa ngayon nga, yung mga nakaraang weeks, 3 talaga yung wala sa namin sa career ba. Kaya yan, tapos nasundan din yung pero nakabalik na nga yung mga naka-holiday. Ito yung paborito ko. Sa Pinas para before, ito talaga yung paborito ko at saka yung butter na flavor. Ayan. Mga bata, kumakain din ito. Sarap. Kape tayo. Kain ko din yung mga bata. Maya-maya. Na! You said you want hot chocolate? Hmm? Next time, umalik. Kasi punta daw yun siya ng gym. Kasi mag-food shopping. So mamaya tayo nakauwi. Siguro mga 8 o'clock tayo makauwi.
Yeah?
Hot chocolate, be? Hot chocolate? Sabi niya, pinatulog niya muna ako bago siya umalis.
Just look at just look.
Naghintay niya muna nga magising ako para daw may magbantay ba sa mga bata ba. Kasi ayaw niya iwan yung mga bata na tulog tapos tulog ako tapos kising sila ba. Nakatulog din ako more than 1 hour. Kailangan ko na. Isang gabi hindi ako nakatulog. Medyo ano lang din. Stress. Na.